Let's look at this question. Three friends ABC have made three statements about three shapes drawn on the blackboard of their classroom. It is known that one of them is a liar, one is a truth teller, and one speaks a random mixture of truth and lies called alternative. Okay, so there is one person absolute liar, one person absolute truth teller, and one person a random mixture. So his three statements could be some truths and some lies. Okay, whenever you're faced with such a situation where you have to identify the nature of people, always start off with absolute people, liar or truth teller, whatever you like. So I'm looking at a first statement, two of them are circles. I don't know if it is true or not. His second statement, B is a liar, and his third statement, C is a liar. If B is a liar and also C is a liar, it would mean that there are two liars in this group, which is impossible, which means A is definitely not the truth teller. A is definitely not the truth teller. Let's look at B statements. Two of them are squares, maybe. A is not a truth teller, maybe. I am not a liar, maybe. About B, you cannot infer anything right now, so let it be. Let's get to C. At least two of them have four sides each, maybe. B is the truth teller. Now, if C is calling B a truth teller, if C is calling B a truth teller, it means C himself cannot be the truth teller. C himself cannot be the truth teller. If this statement is true, or if this statement is false, if this statement is false, C cannot be the truth teller. If B is the truth teller, C cannot be the truth teller, which means C is also definitely not the truth teller. If A is not the truth teller and C is not the truth teller, D will necessarily be the truth teller. And now the three statements that he has made, let's check them. Two of them are squares. Okay, so on the board you will have one square and two square. A is not a truth teller, we agree with that. I am not a liar, we agree with that. So the three statements that we have made are potentially all true. Let's look at statements of A now. His first statement, two of them are circles. There were only three shapes, two are definitely square, so two of them are circles. This is a false statement, we know that for certain. B is a liar, this is a false statement, we know that for certain. C is a liar. As of now, we cannot infer anything. Let us leave this. Let's go to C. At least two of them have four sides each. Given that I already know that there are two squares, this is a true statement. The second line, B is the truth teller, is also a truthful statement. Now, see, you need one liar somewhere and you need one alternator somewhere. The truth teller has already been assigned. One liar somewhere and one truth teller somewhere. Truth teller is already assigned. So the third statement of C, he cannot be the liar because two of his statements have turned out to be true. So he will necessarily be false. This one shape is a circle, one of the shapes is a circle. So the third shape here, it cannot be a circle, it can be anything else. It cannot be a circle. Also, the third statement of A, C is a liar, that is now untrue. So we know that there will be two squares, and third, some other shape, we don't know what that shape will be. Okay, let's get to individual questions. Which of the following can be the list of three shapes? Square, circle, rectangle? No, there have to be two squares. Two squares, one oval? Possibly true. Two squares, one circle? If there are two squares, one circle, then C would also become a truth teller. So this is also impossible because we already have a possible answer as B. D will not be the answer. The final answer to the first question will be option B. Second question, C's three statements in the same order, 1, 2, 3 are truth, truth, lie. Therefore, option D. Who is the truth teller in our storyline? B is the truth teller. Now let's look at question 29, or the last question in this set. A fourth person, D, makes three statements as given below. What kind of a person is he? His first statement is A is not the alternative. This is true. A is not the alternator. A is the liar. C is the alternator. All three figures are quadrilaterals. About this statement, we have no conclusion because this could be true, this could be false. If there are two squares and one rhombus, two squares and one rectangle, two squares and one trapezium, yes, we don't know about the third figure. Therefore, this could be true or could be false. Let's look at the third statement. At most, one of C's statements is true. No. Two of C statements are true. So this is definitely false. So for D, the first statement is true, the last statement is false, the middle statement we don't know. But because he has made statements of differing nature, true and false both, the kind of person that D will necessarily be an alternator. Answer to the last question will be option B, alternator.